The tip for this week is a tip that really helped me on my BNI journey. And that tip is visitor hosting, really effective visitor hosting. As a new member, you might think, why on earth would I be focused on visitor hosting when I was a visitor myself not that long ago? Here's the thing. Visitors quite often won't join BNI, and quite often it will be their only visit to your chapter. So you only have a very narrow window of opportunity in which to establish some kind of a relationship with them and potentially do business with them. And the best BNI members do business with visitors. And this really helped me. I made a beeline for every single visitor I could. And I was absolutely focused on how can I help you? The best question I ever asked in open networking, whether it's online or face-to-face, is what kind of introductions are you looking for? What kind of openings or doors can we open for you? Now I know they're not members yet and you might not want to pass them referrals because you don't yet know, like, and trust them, but at least you can establish some sort of rapport and find out what they're looking for and how you can help. And even if a visitor doesn't apply to join your chapter, you can still follow up with them afterwards. And that was a critical element to my success on my journey in BNI. It was following up with guests, having a coffee with them, again, finding out how to help them. Even if I hadn't met them in open networking, I would call them up a week or two after the meeting and just say, great to see you at BNI the other day. I'm really sorry we didn't get a chance to meet, but wondered if we could maybe have a coffee. You won't want to do it with every guest, of course, but certain guests you want to pick out and really follow up with. And that's the key thing, follow up and see if you can help them. And you never know where that rabbit hole might lead.